I'm Chris Whitehurst. This is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Go ahead and subscribe and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week and you don't want to miss one. This is episode number 96 and we're going to be talking about 3 reasons to get a home inspection. We are closing in on episode 100, and to celebrate that, we're giving away a $100 Amazon gift card right here before Christmas. To win, all you need to do is be a YouTube subscriber, like the Chris Whitehurst Real Estate Facebook page, and share one of the remaining episodes. Most folks do a good job of maintaining their home, but before you put your home on the market, it's a good idea to get a home inspection. The one reason is you're going to find out any major hidden issues before a buyer does. They're likely going to get their own home inspection, and when they find a major problem, it's like a hand grenade going off in the middle of your deal. Reason number 2 would be to avoid renegotiations. When buyers find problems, they're likely going to want to renegotiate and ask for repairs or closing cost assistance. This can be a major point of contention, and a good percentage of deals that fall apart are due specifically to the repair request. Reason number 3 you need that home inspection is it's going to save you money in the long run. When you discover issues, you get to determine which ones get fixed, and if you have a skill set, you can do some of the work yourself. A savvy buyer is going to want to choose their own contractor, and if you've already fixed the problem, there's no contention point here at all. One of the bonuses here is if you get a home inspection, I personally will reduce my commission to make sure that the money you save will pay for all of your inspections. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes and other great content on my website at chriswhitehurst.com. I'm also on most popular media sites like Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.